Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5085M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has 85 horsepower. The tractor has just over 300 hours on it. Has a four-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with a turbo. The tractor has a front weight carrier and front grill guard. Also has the loader prep package. Got the loader frames and the mid valve, and also your joystick right up here. If you want to add a load to this tractor, it's very easy to do. The tractor has a Goodyear Radial tires front and back, which are excellent front and back. Overall, the paint of the tractor is excellent. Mechanically, the tractor does everything it's supposed to. Also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, 540 and 540 EPTO. Top link goes with it. It's got the dual hydraulic plug-ins, rear work light. It's got the foldable rollover bar and the canopy top. As you can see, the paint is in excellent condition. The flat deck here. Cup holder here to the left of the seat. It does have an air ride seat on it, which is a very nice feature. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverse allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 16-speed transmission. You've got 4 ranges in the short lever. Your C and D range, which are your 2 highest ranges, are both synchronized. 4 gears up here are all synchronized. And again, it does have motor control. Control console, you've got your 3-point hydraulic and PTO functions, as well as your hand throttle. The 540, 540E selector for the PTO is back behind the seat. Down below, you've got the foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock, and clutch pedal here to the left. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.